After the blizzard grounded flights across the region, they're finally taking off again in New Haven. Crews at Tweed-New Haven Airport worked around the clock to clear runways and get passengers moving after a temporary shutdown. Fox 61's Jamel Johnson is at the airport with how travelers are bouncing back after the storm.
Tweed-New Haven Airport looks a lot better after the blizzard of 2026 came and went. The airways look good and the runways look good as well. Tweed-New Haven did a lot of cleanup over the past 24 hours. They actually closed on Sunday evening and didn't reopen until Monday at 8 p.m. And they were trying to get all the runways clear, trying to get these parking lots clear as well. And a lot of people who are flying are actually people who had got their flights delayed or canceled on Monday, and they're flying out on Tuesday. And a lot of people who are retired came back to Connecticut to see family, had to get back home, and they have family waiting for them back home as well. We spoke to a family who is from Atlanta, and they had some grandkids that they needed to take care of, and their grandkids were blowing their phone up all day saying, when are grandma and grandpa gonna be back home? Take a listen.
Well, excited. They called this morning at 7:30.
Wondering where we were.
Where's Nana and Papa?
Are we going to make the flight?
And they were more excited that we were going to be on a big plane, so
Right.
'cause that's very cool to them.
Now, Tweed-New Haven Airport officials say if you have a flight today, just make sure you're staying updated and checking the website as well, just to make sure that your flight is still good to go. They have about 12 to 13 flights leaving Tweed-New Haven, which is pretty sizable for an airport like this. In New Haven, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.